Hi guys, this is the second part of your module 1-3. So we're going to look at finding the inverse of a function algebraically. So if we have a function like this, f of x equals to 3x minus 1, how do we find its inverse? There are basically 4 steps. The first step is to change the f of x into a y value. So here my f of x is on the left. I'm going to change that to a y value. See that? Once you change your f of x to y, now the second thing you're going to do is to switch the letters x and y. So my y becomes an x, my x becomes my y. Once you have done that, the third step is to solve for your new y. So my y is on the right, I need to move all the numbers to the left. To get rid of minus 1, I'm going to add 1. I always do the opposite to balance the equation. Since x and 1 are not the same, I cannot combine them. So I would write it separately. X plus 1 equals 3y. The 1's will cancel each other out. How do I get rid of the 3? I have to understand the operation between 3 and y. The operation between 3 and y is multiplication. So opposite of multiplying would be dividing. So I have to divide 3 on both sides of the equation. Once again, you cannot divide x into 3, 1 into 3. So you put the top part, x plus 1, divided by your numerator is 3. On the right side, the 3 cancels out. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Hence, you have 1y. The last step would be to change the y value into inverse. The inverse function of x would be x plus 1 divided by 3. Please note that you need the negative 1 here because the negative 1 here indicates that it's an inverse.